Hi guys, welcome to Simam's Corner. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Today we're going to be making ukwa. Ukwa is a popular delicious recipe that is common amongst the southeastern region people of Nigeria. It can be eaten roasted or made as a porridge. So today I'm going to be making ukwa porridge, guys. Sit back, relax and enjoy this video. For ingredients, I have habanero pepper, berry fish, salt, dry fish, and finally red oil. So first I took my time to wash the ukwa thoroughly because usually it contains a lot of sand and stone. Enjoy the video, guys, as the video is self-explanatory.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear.
After 30 minutes, guys, I'm going to be adding some salt to this ukwa. The reason I added some salt is to give some taste to the liquid, okay? And then after cooking this again for about 5 minutes, I will be scooping out the liquid from the ukwa. So a lot of people enjoy taking the liquid by the side while eating ukwa because it's very delicious and nutritious, guys. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when
Our ukwa is ready, guys. Delicious. I enjoyed this with some grilled basa fish. Try this, guys, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, please don't hesitate to follow my channel, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't also forget to give me a thumb up, guys. If you have any questions, let's meet on the comment section. See you on my next video, guys. Have a good one. Bye. Welcome to Simam's Corner.